What types of home loan options are available for veterans? Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans, powered by Stride Bank. To contact us at National VA Loans is 855-956-4040. All right, so let's get after it. What types of home loans are available for veterans, or home loan options are available for veterans? Well, we're going to start with the nice, easy, simple one right off the bat, which is 100% VA purchase. Guys, again, it's 100%. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to put any money down on a VA home loan for a purchase. So if you're a veteran or active duty service member and you want to buy a home, this is the best option available. You can use 100%. You don't have to come out of pocket with anything. You don't have to spend months and months and months and years and sometimes saving up down payment money to get that 20%. And it makes it nice and easy and accessible for our veterans and our active duty service members to get home. So VA purchase 100% is right off the bat. That's the best one. Now, here's really one of the favorites and one of the things that no other loan on the market has to offer, and that's up to 100% VA cash out refinance. Yes, you heard me correct. No matter whether you bought your house 10 years ago or 2 years ago, you can access on a VA refinance, you can access up to 100% of the equity in your home. Okay. That means you can pay off debt. You can set money aside in savings. You can send your kid to college. Hell, go on a vacation for all I care. But you can access every dime of that money, that equity that's been built in your home. It's yours. You guys have heard me say it a million times. Use your home as a financial tool. This is one way to do it. Now, obviously, if you can leave a little bit of equity in there, 90% is always a better way to go. So it leaves you a little bit of room. But the one thing that homes continually do on a year-to-year basis is they increase in value. I don't foresee that stopping. It is slowing a little bit, but it is never going to stop. So values are going to go up. If you can increase your cash flow by utilizing the VA cash out refinance, it is a brilliant way to put yourself in a great financial situation. Okay, next. And probably the easiest loan out there for you that have done this in the past is the VA IRRL loan, interest rate reduction refinance loan. It's a mouthful, I know. It's harder to say than it is to do. The interest rate reduction refinance loan is just that. The IRRL is something for our veterans and active duty service members. If you currently have a VA home loan, you can actually take and lower your interest rate with this program. You don't have to supply any income documentation. You don't even have to get an appraisal. So the documentation is so limited that it makes it very, very simple. Typically, these loans close in 10 to 14 business days. There's really not much more up to them. It is strictly to get a lower interest rate on your home loan to save you money, to increase your cash flow, like you guys have heard me say, to save you money every month going out of your pocket. Now, one thing that I want to add to this loan is there are a couple different options for energy efficiency. So if, let's say, you're doing the VA interest rate reduction loan and you wanted to put in an energy efficient heating system or cooling system, we can up to $6,500 worth of energy efficient improvements we can include in the VA interest rate reduction refinance loan. Pretty awesome availability, if you ask me. All right, the next one, and this is one that we get talked about all the time, which I completely understand. That's a VA one-time close construction loan. What's that mean? Well, it means exactly that. It's one closing to encompass the land you're purchasing and the entire build job on your home, right? So you can build a manufactured home. You can build a barn-dominium, which I know are really popular right now. And you can do it all in one loan. You're not going to close multiple times. You're not going to have to go through the process of, well, I'm going to clear the land with this loan, or I'm going to buy the land with this loan, and then I got to come in and do this loan behind it for the VA for the home part of it. Nope. And let me tell you something that's even better on this. And I should have probably added this to the drop down, but it is zero down. Okay. It's still 100% financing. And that includes the land. That includes any contingencies, includes everything right there in one loan. It's a pretty awesome process. There is not much better than this on the VA when it comes to construction loans that are out there on the market. Give us a call, 855-956-4040. We can answer any questions you have on any of the stuff that we talked about so far. All right. Now, this is the last loan I'm going to talk about today, is one that we do not get utilized near enough. And I hope more veterans and active duty service members take part in this and actually start asking questions about it, because it's pretty huge. In fact, we're trying to do our job by, educating real estate agents, because the VA renovation for purchase or for refinance is an underutilized product in the VA loan. Okay, number one, again, it's still 100% financing available. But the beauty of this is if you're buying a home, let's just go for that route in the beginning. So you find a home, everything about it you love. You love the location. You love the school district for your kids. You love how close it is to your favorite coffee shop or how close it is to your gym. Everything about it is what you want. In fact, you even got some neighbors in there that you think you're going to like. But damn, the kitchen's ugly, and boy, it really needs to be painted. And oh my God, this carpet is awful. What do these people do? They have ferrets. So you need to fix some things. You need to make it yours. Well, this VA renovation loan will allow for all that. It'll allow you to go in and make a punch list of, okay, I want to do this. So I want to do this. So I want to do this. So I want to do this. And then the best part is number one, you're making the house yours. Okay. It's what you want now. But the best part is it allows you, this loan will take into account the actual future value of the property. So not to get too detailed here. And of course, if you want to get more details on this, and I hope more people do, it's 855-956-4040. But not to get too detailed, is what we'll do is we will, once you have the punch list from your contractor, we know what the costs are going to be to do the updates and everything that you want to do to the property and the renovation work. We are going to then give that to the appraiser, and the appraiser is going to base the appraised value based on that work being complete. I know, pretty amazing, right? There's really not many loans that allow for that. And the cool thing is, it's not just for purchase. Let's say you've got a home, and right now it's tough. I mean, the market's tough out there to find the exact house you want. You already own your home, you love it, but you need to expand, or maybe you need to downsize. But most likely, what we need to do is we want a little facelift on our house. You've lived there for 5, 6, 7 years. Hell, I mean, 10 years, and you want to change something. You want to bring it into the current day and age. You want new paint, you want new floor, you want to add a fence, you want to fix the back deck, you want to do all these things that cost a lot of money. Well, instead of coming out of pocket with all that money, use the equity you have in your home and the future equity of the future value of your property to do all the things you want and to continue to make the house that you've made a home your home. Make it what you want. Okay. And it's also going to build value, build equity, do it all quicker. The VA renovation loan is one of those products that, man, I really hope more people ask about, especially at real estate agents, because if you've got a property out there that you're having trouble getting rid of and getting off the market, this is one that'll help make it a little bit more feasible for a borrower or a buyer to come in and say, okay, I can do all these things to it and make the house what I want. Guys, it's a great loan. For more information and to stay up to date with all the current information for VA home loans, check out youtube.com/national VA loans. Of course, you can subscribe in one of these spots right here. That way you get notified anytime we come out with new information or new loan or new videos for our YouTube channel. Of course, if you have questions, give us a call at 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will be able to answer any phone calls or any calls and questions you might have. Go over all the different products. Make sure to ask about that VA renovation loan in case you do have an opportunity to make something yours and make it what you want. And if you're like me and you just like to just get stuff done, check out nationalapplynow.com. Download our simple, secure Stride Home Mortgage app. It's going to be nice and easy. It'll be point and click right on your phone. You can put all your information in. It'll come directly to us, and one of our VA specialists will reach out to you to go through all the different products and different availability of different options that you have. Again, it's 855-956-4040. Check out nationalapplynow.com and youtube.com/national VA loans. Guys, until next time, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for everything you do. Take care of yourselves, and God bless.